This is pretty hard to see. I'm looking up from the bottom, at the bottom of the vertical box here. Now, if you watch, you can see the pin, the activator pin, moving down in the openings, the slot, which you can see. You can see that moving. Okay, so what that's doing is it's releasing the latch. So when the latch releases, the box can slide. Now when the box comes back down again, you'll hear a snap. That snap is the latch returning to its normal position. So this is now latched, and that's the activator bar moving back out of the way. You hear that snap. That's the whole business.